Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guy, we are a dealer on the very eastern side of the state in an area called the Quad Cities. Our dealership's actually located right on Highway 67, just 2 miles south of Interstate 80. Super easy to get to, guys, and well worth the trip from anywhere. Guys, today I'm going to give you a walk around on this truck right here. Just came in. I would call this a work truck plus because, yeah, it's a work truck. Man, it's got some nice options and it's ready to go. So it is a 2022, as you can see up there. It's got that newer front end on it. Very, very good looking truck. This is an F250 XLT. It is a crew cab with the 8-foot bed, which is really tough to find. This one has, again, the XLT package, but some nice extras on it. It does have the chrome package, alloy wheels. I just had this over to the Ford store and they did a full inspection, serviced it for me. It's ready to go, guys. It needs for nothing. Okay, so let's give you a walk around. Again, alloy wheels, newer open country Toyos right there. Step tubes. This does have tow package with the tow mirrors right there. As you can see, again, it's a long bed, 8-foot bed, tow package. As you can see back here, again, we have the chrome package. This one has a drop-in bed liner on it. Overall in good shape, guys. Few dings and scratches here and there, but you know, for a work truck, it's real nice. I'll give the full walk around. No big dents or any scratches or anything like that. Just, you know, just the normal stuff, wear and tear. XLT package on the inside. Again, this one's pretty well decked out. So we got cloth seats. It does have seating for 6. This console comes up. This one has the big screen with the backup camera, sync Bluetooth, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise. Only 45,000 miles on this 22. I got 2 sets of keys over there for you too. Got you the book still in the wrapper. Nice floor mats all the way through. Back seats in real nice shape. Just a super nice truck. Whether you're going to use this for work or play, this thing will do the job for you. 6.2 liter V8 purring away. Underside's pretty darn clean too, guys. Carfax certified. It's got all the service records. Again, I just had it fully serviced and ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Go around here and see if I can find some flaws for you. You know, there's going to be some rock chips down low on these trucks. Looks like the rock chip right there. Overall, good shape. Little wear on the seat. Nothing too crazy. No big tears or anything there. Notice some rock chips on these bumpers here a little bit. This does have the blind spot monitor, which is pretty rare for this kind of rig here. Yeah, little rock chips there. Tires are good shape, guys. I would say probably 50% on the back. Well better than that on the front. Probably got rotated through. But overall, great truck, guys. Like I said, probably a couple little small scratches or door dings, but overall really good. And boy, do we have it priced right. This thing's got a book value of, I think, nearly $44,000. Comes to you for $39,995, so under 40 grand. I will tell you, this does still have factory warranty remaining on it to 60,000 miles for the powertrain. Again, it was just fully inspected and it's ready to go. Price to sell, guys. Hard to find. 3/4 ton crew cab long bed, 4-wheel drive with good miles and ready to go. So give us a call, 563-424-2000. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com. That's THIEL trucks.com. Got a bunch of pictures on there as well. This is a good buy, good truck. Give us a call. Until next time, have a good one.